हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू देव ट्रिकी जी के। तो आज हम करेंगे जनरल साइंस के कुछ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द पीएच वैल्यू ऑफ ह्यूमन ब्लड इज ऑप्शन ए 6.6, ऑप्शन बी 7.2, ऑप्शन सी 7.4, ऑप्शन डी 7.8। So correct answer is option C 7.4. So friends, the pH value of human blood is 7.4. Now question number 2. Hemoglobin is a type of option A protein, option B carbohydrate, option C fat, option D vitamins. So correct answer is option A protein. So friends, hemoglobin is a type of protein which is contained in red blood cells of our body. Now question number 3. The vitamin that is most rapidly manufactured in our body is option A vitamin A, option B vitamin B, option C vitamin C, option D vitamin D. So correct answer is option D vitamin D. Now question number 4. The escape velocity of earth is option A 7.0 km per second, option B 11.2 km per second, option C 15 km per second, option D 21.1 km per second. So correct answer is option B 11.2 km per second. Now question number 5. Accumulation of which one of the following in our muscles leads to fatigue? Option A lactic acid, option B pyruvic acid, option C benzoic acid, option D uric acid. So correct answer is option A lactic acid. Now question number 6. Which one of the following method is used to separate water from alcohol water mixture? Option A decantination, option B evaporation, option C sublimation, option D distillation. So correct answer is option D distillation. So friends, distillation is a method which is used to separate water from alcohol water mixture. Now question number 7. The number of chambers in a human heart is option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. So correct answer is option B 4. So friends, there are total 4 chambers in a human heart. Now question number 8. Which one of the following metal is used with iron to make it rust free? Option A aluminium, option B carbon, option C chromium, option D tin. So correct answer is option C chromium. Now question number 9. Athlete's foot is a disease caused by option A bacteria, option B fungus, option C protozoa, option D nematode. So correct answer is option B fungus. So friends, athlete's foot is a disease which is caused by fungus. Now question number 10. In eye donation, which part of the donor's eye is utilized? Option A iris, option B retina, option C lens, option D cornea. Correct answer is option D cornea. So friends, in eye donation, cornea is the part of eye which is donated. Now question number 11. The major component of honey is option A glucose, option B maltose, option C fructose, option D sucrose. So correct answer is option C fructose. So the major component of honey is fructose. Now question number 12. The velocity of sound is minimum in option A vacuum, option B water, option C air, option D iron. So correct answer is option A vacuum. So friends, the velocity of sound is minimum in vacuum. Now question number 13. How many bones are present in human ears? Option A 4, option B 5, option C 6, option D 9. So correct answer is option C, 6. So friends, there are total 6 bones which are present in human ears. Now question number 14. A satellite is kept moving in its orbit around the earth due to its option A centrifugal force, option B centripetal force, option C gravitational force, option D none of the above. So correct answer is option B centripetal force. Now question number 15. The time period of a pendulum. Option A depends on its length. Option B depends on the mass. Option C depends on the time. Option D depends on temperature. So correct answer is option A depends on its length. So friends, the time period of a pendulum depends on its length. Now question number 16. In case of rusting, the weight of iron will option A increase, option B decrease, option C remain same, option D uncertain. So correct answer is option A increase. So friends, in case of rusting, the weight of iron will increase. Now question number 17. Which one of the following organ is affected by malaria? Option A heart, option B lungs, option C kidney, option D spleen. So correct answer is option D spleen. Now question number 18. Which of the following substance is used for artificial rain? Option A silver bromide, option B ammonium nitrate, option C silver iodide, option D all of the above. So correct answer is option C silver iodide. So friends, silver iodide is used for artificial rain. Now question number 19. Which one of the following gas is known as a noble gas? Option A hydrogen, option B oxygen, option C helium, option D carbon dioxide. So correct answer is option C helium. Now question number 20. Which one of the following device is used for detecting lie? Option A polygraph, option B pyrometer, option C gyroscope, option D chemograph. Correct answer is option A polygraph. So friends, polygraph is a device which is used for detecting lie. Now question number 21. Which of the following vitamins are water soluble? Option A vitamin A and vitamin B, option B vitamin B and vitamin C, option C vitamin C and vitamin D, option D vitamin A and vitamin K. So correct answer is option B vitamin B and vitamin C. So friends, vitamin B and vitamin C are water soluble vitamins. Now question number 22. The density of milk can be measured by option A hydrometer, option B lactometer, option C barometer, option D thermometer. So correct answer is option B lactometer. Now question number 23. In automobiles, hydraulic brake works on option A Pascal's law, option B Archimedes principle, option C Newton's law of motion, option D Bernoulli's principle. So correct answer is option A Pascal's law. So friends, hydraulic brake works on Pascal's law. Now question number 24. Lack of which of the following substance in our body causes diabetes? Option A insulin, option B hemoglobin, option C histamine, option D glycine. So correct answer is option A insulin. Now question number 25. Which of the following determines the loudness or softness of the sound? Option A oscillation, option B frequency, option C amplitude, option D wave velocity. So correct answer is option C amplitude. Now question number 26. Which of the following is to be found in nail polish remover? Option A acetone, option B benzone, option C petroleum ether, option D acetic acid. Correct answer is option A acetone. Now question number 27. Velocity of light is maximum in which of the following? Option A diamond, option B water, option C vacuum, option D hydrogen. So correct answer is option C vacuum. Now question number 28. Which one of the following element is used in solar cells? Option A silicon, option B cerium, option C astatine, option D vanadium. Correct answer is option A silicon. Now question number 29. Which one of the following metal is called the metal of future? Option A copper, option B iron, option C aluminium, option D titanium. So correct answer is option D titanium. So friends, titanium is a metal which is called the metal of future. Now question number 30. When water is heated from 0 to 10 degrees Celsius, its volume will option A increase, option B decrease, option C does not change, option D first decreases then increases. So correct answer is option D first decreases then increases. So friends, when water is heated from 0 to 10 degrees Celsius, then its volume will first decrease and then increase. Now question number 31. What is the full form of sonar? Option A solar navigation and ranging, option B ship navigation and ranging, option C sound navigation and ranging, option D sound navigation and reflection. So correct answer is option C sound navigation and ranging. So friends, full form of sonar is sound navigation and ranging. Now question number 32. Which of the following blood group has no antigens? Option A, option B B, option C AB, option D O. So correct answer is option D blood group O. So friends, blood group O has no antigens. Now question number 33. Bauxite is the ore of option A aluminium, option B iron, option C copper, option D gold. So correct answer is option A aluminium. So friends, bauxite is the ore of aluminium. Now question number 34. Brass is an alloy of option A copper and iron, option B zinc and iron, option C copper and zinc, option D iron and nickel. So correct answer is option C copper and zinc. So friends, brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Now question number 35. The chemical composition of cement is option A limestone, clay and gypsum, option B limestone and clay, option C limestone and gypsum, option D clay and gypsum. So correct answer is option A limestone, clay and gypsum.